Adding Microsoft's Copilot to your Outlook inbox is the fastest way to summarize long threads and draft professional replies in seconds. If the icon is missing or you're setting it up for the first time, is the exact process. So first, ensure that you have a compatible license. For home users, you need a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription along with a Copilot Pro. For business users, ensure your admin has assigned a 365 Copilot license to your work account. Open Outlook and make sure you are signed in with the exact email address associated with your Copilot license. Next, go to File, then Office Account, and select Update Options. Click Update Now to ensure you're running the latest 2026 build, which includes the newest AI integration features and stability fixes. Copilot requires cloud access to analyze your emails. Go to File, select Options, and then General. Under Privacy Settings, click on Privacy Dashboard. Ensure that the toggle for experiences that analyze your content and all connected experiences are both turned on. If these are disabled, Copilot will remain hidden for security reasons. Then, if you have the license but still don't see the icon, go back to File and Account. Look for the Update License button. Clicking this forces Outlook to ping the Microsoft service and verify your Copilot access. After the refresh, restart Outlook completely, and the Copilot icon will now appear in your top ribbon and Compose window. Now that's integrated, look for the Summary by Copilot button at the top of long email threads to get an instant recap. So just like that, you've got a personal AI assistant living right inside your inbox. If this Copilot setup guide helped you master your emails, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest AI tools.